Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you have installed your INDI drivers correctly on your Raspberry Pi 4 and still you have problems with detection of your QHY accessories or your astrophotography cameras or your guide cameras, today in this video I am going to tell you guys how to update your INDI drivers for QHYCCD cameras to the latest version. Before we proceed that, ensure that you have watched my previous video for how to install INDI drivers on Raspberry Pi 4 and how to install PSD2 guiding software or how to install your KSTARS. If you have not watched these videos before, I will put the link in this video or in the description below for you guys to check it out. Please ensure you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information that I have to share. Before we proceed further, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get to download the latest version of the driver for QHYCCD. Go on the link that I have provided in the description below and download the latest version of the SDK available. So you have to download the ARM 64-bit version if your Raspberry Pi supports your 64-bit version of OS. So next thing that you have to do is open the file manager of your Raspberry Pi and drag this zip file into your home folder. Then if you click the home folder, verify that your archive file is present in the home folder. Also make note of the file name that was downloaded that will require to execute the commands later. So copy the first command from the website, or I will put the final command in the description below. So to execute the command, as usual, open the terminal, copy paste the command. As of now on the website, the command is for the Linux version. We will convert this command for the ARM version. So you have to update the latest version of the SDK that you downloaded and also replace the Linux word with ARM. So this command will extract the zip file that you downloaded from the website. Next thing that you need to do is to move into the extracted folder of this driver. So to do that, you have to execute cd SDK Linux 64.21.06.25. Next thing you have to do is to install this latest SDK version. To do that, you have to execute a command called sudo bash install.sh. So once you execute both the commands, this will update your driver to the latest SDK version available at that point of time for your QHY. To verify the version, you have to execute the last command, which is ldd user bin indi QHYCCD grep libqhy star. This will give you the latest version of the software which is installed on your Raspberry Pi. Next thing we need to do is to update the repository. To do that, we have to execute a command sudo apt update, and then we'll update the drivers or any other software which are pending for upgrade to the latest patch level by executing command sudo apt upgrade. Once your upgrade is finished, that means you have the latest driver for your QHYCCD cameras, for your astrophotography camera for QHY or any guide cameras that you have. You will have no problem detection. All you need to do is reboot once, and then your PSD software or your KSTARS softwares will detect your QHY cameras without problem. So this is it guys. This is how you install the latest QHY drivers on your Raspberry Pi 4. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and clear skies.